Hello everyone, what's up? Today I'm here to show you a good potential which is a meme category tokens, and I will tell you everything what it is and why I am making this video. Is it worth to buy now or should we leave this? So if you're new to my channel, press the subscribe button so you don't miss the latest updates. So let's start. The project I am talking about is the land wolf. It is on AVAX blockchains. So if I show you an example, what happened on AVAX blockchain is that cock inu. You might have heard the name Cockinu. It is also on the AVAX blockchain. Since it launched, it pumped very much and it got so much of hype. It gone up to almost all-time high of 400 millions of market cap. It got the good big exchanges also, Bybit, Bitgate, KuCoin, centralized exchanges. So same thing is going to happen about in this, I mean this landwolf AVAX blockchain. This is a meme tokens. So before investing into any meme coins or anything, please do your own research. This is not the financial advice, as this market is very volatile. The crypto market is very volatile. It can go either 2x 10x within a day, or it can go minus 90% in meme tokens. So you should be very cautious while doing anything. First do your own research. So let me show you something more. Currently this is where we can buy is that LFJ something called exchanges. This is a decentralized exchanges, DeFi apps, and centralized exchanges which is mexc, a very good big exchanges. This is also a good exchanges. It is listed on that. I think more exchanges will be coming. So before buying this, let me check the current market cap is 6.76 million market cap. So if it does 10x, the market cap will be 67 million. If it got 100x, then 676 million. If it does 200x, it will be nearly 1.23 billion market cap. So should we buy it or not? Before that, we will check it whether it is active or not, this project. So I'll check this social media. Twitter, it has 9.39 followers, K3K followers, and they are posting currently very active. They are very active. So the hype is very silent now. So when the hype is silent, that's the right time of buying anything, and it is very in down at the bottom of the dip. You are getting the opportunity, so don't miss the opportunity. And why should we buy? Let me show you the, here is the token address. You can buy through mexc centralized exchanges. Here is the token address, and if I take you to its website, this is wolf on AVAX. AVAX Foundation, as I said, zero taxes, no bullshit. So you can check yourself about this. The thing is that should we buy it or not? Is it the right time now or not? It is the right time, and it is at the bottom of now. And if I tell you one more reason, that is the big reason we should buy, is that Some of the big YouTubers who are the influencer above nearly 100k, 200k, 500k million followers, they are the already millionaires and the successful YouTubers, influencers, crypto YouTubers. They are the successful traders who are already millionaire. They had bought these tokens. I had seen them buying this. They are the whales, they are the big giants, money magnets. Money magnets, what I mean is that whenever they buy something, the market goes up non-stop, goes up non-stop. As I have seen many times, they have bought the tokens and the tokens went up 2x, 10x, 20x within a day, 24 hours. Within 24 hours, they pump a lot because of their whales buying. They are the money magnets in the crypto market. So they have bought. This is the inside information which I am delivering it to you because you are early at this current time. So if you want to know more and discuss something with me, you can come over, check out my description and click on the link given in the description of my Telegram. Come and talk to me, join my Telegram group, premium group. There I will share you the hidden gems which are already bought by the crypto influencer, YouTuber and Twitter influencers, so that you can cut out the risk of losing the money. Because the first main thing is important whenever you are trading is you shouldn't lose any money. No matter how much profits you make, you shouldn't lose money. Because if you make 9 good trades and do one big mistakes, you will come back to the initial position. So you should follow only that path which is right, which is, which is insider things. You should have the informations. So you should stay safe. As your buying goes 2x, you take out your initial and your risk is 0% cut out, and let the profits run the 2x, 10x, 100x and enjoy the profits. So how's the video? Did you like the video information? If you like it, press the like button and press the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you cannot miss the updates. Join my Telegram group. I will share you more big things to come up. So that is it for today. Take care, guys.